Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In Microsoft applications, you can embed and insert files of different formats into different platforms. In this video, let us see how to insert PDF into PowerPoint. Adding PDFs to your presentation helps in maintaining your privacy and helps mitigate some unnecessary steps involved to open the PDF file. You do not need to minimize the presentation, locate and open the file. You can directly click on the PDF file and open them. So without further ado, let us see how to insert a PDF into PowerPoint. One of the most common ways to insert PDFs into PowerPoint is by using the Insert main menu. This can insert the whole PDF file as a click button into the PowerPoint slide. First, select the slide where you want to embed the PDF file. Navigate to Insert. Under the Text section, click on Object. This opens up an Insert Object dialog box. Click on Create from File and click Browse. Once you have located the file, click Open. Finally, click OK. This inserts the selected PDF file in the center of the slide. Now, you can move and resize the PDF file icon using the anchor points. You can also add multiple PDFs in the same slide to easily help you open multiple files from a single location. You can double-click on the PDF file in the PowerPoint slide to open and view the original file. Sometimes, PowerPoint throws a pop-up asking you whether the file is safe to open. If you trust the source, click Open. To prevent this dialog box from popping up again, uncheck the Always Ask Before checkbox. The second way to insert a PDF file into PowerPoint is by copying and pasting them into a PowerPoint slide. Navigate to the location of the PDF file. Right-click and copy the file or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Now open PowerPoint and choose the slide where you want to paste the file. Paste the file by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut keys Ctrl+V. This will paste the selected file onto the PowerPoint slide. In some cases, you might not need to insert the whole PDF file into the slide. You can just add a part of the PDF file. To add a part of a PDF file, open the file and navigate to the section you want to insert into the slide. Now, immediately open PowerPoint without switching between tabs. Navigate to Insert. Under the Images section, click on Screenshot. From the drop-down, select Screen Clipping. Clicking this option takes you back to the PDF file and it appears as a white transparent screen. Click on the left mouse button and drag the mouse to select the area you want to include in the slide. Once you leave the mouse button, the selected area is automatically inserted into the PowerPoint slide. That is all, folks. We have seen how to insert a PDF into PowerPoint in 3 easy ways. Choose the method which suits your purpose best. Thank you for watching.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full blog article that this video came from, please click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.